Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Whiskey Business. As you can tell by the title of the video, today we will be making my sweet chili chicken wings. These are super easy and very quick to make, and they are a Friday night staple in my house. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is season our chicken wings with a spice mix. As always, all the ingredients and their measurements will be listed in the description box below, and we're also going to be making our homemade sweet chili sauce using the ingredients that you see in the bag. I'm using 1 pack of whole chicken wings. If you want to go ahead and make more, especially with football season right around the corner, you can go ahead and double up on this recipe. This pairs absolutely delicious with some carrots, some celery sticks, and it's a really quick side dish. Or you can just throw in some sweet potato fries or just regular French fries into the air fryer and just make it all in one pot. So let's go ahead and get started. As I said, this is a very simple recipe, so to simplify my life even further, what I like to do ahead of time is just measure out all of my ingredients, all my spices that I'm going to season my chicken wings with. I'm just going to toss them into a Ziploc bag, and then in a small saucepan, I have all of my ingredients for my sweet chili sauce just waiting to go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your pack of chicken and just take a regular paper towel and pat them dry. You just want to remove some of that moisture so that your spices will stick nicely to the skin of your chicken. Go ahead and pat them dry a few times and then just toss them into a large gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Once you have all your chicken wings patted dry and ready to go, you're going to go ahead and just add in all of your spices that we measured out, put them into the Ziploc bag, and just give them a good shake. This is definitely a step that you can do either the night before you're going to make the recipe or the morning of, and then just store them right in the Ziploc bag in your fridge until you're ready to cook them. So now that our chicken wings are seasoned, we're going to go ahead and turn on our air fryer. I'm using my Ninja Foodie pot. You guys know, if you watch my videos, I love this thing. I just put my basket insert. I didn't spray it down with any nonstick spray or anything because I don't find it necessary. But if your basket is prone to sticking, go ahead and just spray it with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray before you add in your chicken wings. So I'm just going to add in my chicken wings, and then I'm going to set it to air crisp at 400 for 20 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to give them a good shake. So once 10 minutes have passed, I'm going to go in, shake my basket, just move them around, and then let them cook for the additional 10 minutes. While your chicken wings are in the air fryer, we can go ahead and get started on our sweet chili sauce. I just have all of the ingredients in a small saucepan on the stove over medium-high heat. I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, go ahead and lower your heat to medium-low and let it simmer for a few minutes. It's going to reduce about halfway and start to get a little bit thicker, kind of like a glaze consistency. I personally don't like it to be very thick because I do like it to coat all of my chicken wings evenly, but this does take about 10 minutes, so it's literally the perfect time. While your chicken wings are cooking, you can go ahead and save time and just start making the sauce. And as you can see, my chicken wings came out of the oven and I just threw them into a new Ziploc bag. You can go ahead and toss them into a tray, into a bowl. For me, it's just easier in the Ziploc bag. Do be careful because the sauce is hot. And as it cools, keep in mind that the glaze will become a little bit thicker. All I did was just add the glaze or the sauce that I made into the Ziploc bag. I gave them a good shake, coated all of my chicken wings, and they're going back into the air fryer for an additional 5 minutes on broil. And after 5 minutes on broil, this is how my sweet chili wings turned out. I went ahead and garnished them with a little bit of sesame seeds that I sprinkled over the top of them. That's optional, but I do think that it adds a little bit of a nice touch. And I paired it with some brown rice and some carrot sticks and ranch. Please go ahead and give this recipe a try. Like I said, with football season coming up, this is going to be a winner chicken dinner in your house. Literally, if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comments below how you liked it. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Like always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!